Welcome everybody. Today we've got Topspin and Twin Twist. They were jump starters. I think they were the only two. Their gimmick was they didn't transform per se. They sort of did. It's nasty. You need to get it cleaned. But they would just flip over and their feet would lock in and had the pullback motor. And in theory, what would happen? You pull it back, it takes off, and it's not working anymore. But they were weighted so that when the feet would kick over, if I can get it to here while I'm other way, yeah. And they would jump up and land on their feet and be ready for battle. It would work 2 out of 10 times probably. It was still cool when it did, but like I say, it's sort of the same thing, just a little. And this one actually got a little bit of spring left, but it's not enough to flip it, but it'll ride. Yeah, it still ended up on its back. Like I say, even back in the day, they didn't work great. I say, 2 or 3 times out of 10 at most, they would actually do as they were supposed to and land on their feet ready for battle. But I still thought they were cool, and they, like I say, they were one of the few motorized transformers, even though it's, spring-loaded motor. But I liked them. I do think they look cool, particularly the guy with the drills on the front. I think that, and the wings. But anyway, like I say, that's Twin Twist and Topspin jump starter transformers. Had fun with them. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.